viewers.
Hey viewers.
Welcome to Fireworks Night 2017.
Vlog 003.
Happy Bonfire Night.
Happy Bonfire Night. I hope you're all having a great night. So we've had a couple to drink, and what are you thinking, mate?
Absolutely incredible. Incredible scenes. Really loved it.
If you had to do a facial expression of how you're feeling right now, what would you do? No.
Yeah, alright.
Nah, do you want to be the next vlog?
I want.
You're in the
You're gonna be in the vlog. You're gonna be in the vlog. Okay, look, you got to do a facial expression on how you're feeling. Go.
No.
Go.
Wanna be in the vlog? Wait.
They all want to be in the vlog.
We've got some fangirls
This
here.
is
Alex wants to be in the vlog.
I don't
This is Jordan's girlfriend. Oh,
know. Boyfriend?
What do you think to that then?
Mate.
Yeah. Oh! I could not understand a word of that.
This is fucked.
Yeah, I can.
This is not okay.
It's not okay.
We've had a couple of heavy nights and we're struggling. We're now in Clapham Common and soon to get some brunch. George's lost his voice as well, so he's not going to be much of an asset to the vlog. Tell me a story.
From last night.
Yeah.
That's the sort of situation. It's not good, really.
Oh.
Couldn't really tell you much. Fireworks display, as you see in the other clips.
I just can't hear a word you're saying.
No. Subtitles.
It's fine. Yeah. We've got to go across there. So this is our current location, Clapham, on a little roof.
Nice
Roof
old
sort of
fresco
vibe.
garden spot.
Yeah, it's
Show me
lovely.
around. Show them inside. Fine.
Is there a fire in there?
Yeah, to the left.
Quite empty though.
Yeah, everyone's at work.
Yeah.
Just like we should be.
Yeah, we should really be at work. Oh, what are you going for here then?
I like the sound of the club sandwich.
Yeah, I looked at that. Remember that.
Freshly squeezed.
Show us what you got to say.
Apple juices. Earl Grey.
Earl Grey.
Yeah.
The girls are going to be loving that husky voice.
What girls? Police on the scene, James.
Oh, is it the feds?
Federici's on the scene. Probably offering us protection for our fame.
Oh, he's scared. Oh. What's going on here? It's calling for backup. Go on, Connor, get in there. Oh.
Nice buildings around here.